Are your mornings a chaotic rush? Do you often skip breakfast or grab something unhealthy on the go, wishing you had more time for a delicious, homemade meal? We understand the struggle. Busy schedules shouldn't mean sacrificing the most important meal of the day. But what if you could enjoy a hot, customized breakfast sandwich in just minutes? Introducing the Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker, your ultimate solution for quick, easy, and delicious mornings. This innovative appliance is designed to transform your breakfast routine. Imagine making two perfect breakfast sandwiches simultaneously. That's right, it makes two breakfast sandwiches in under 5 minutes, perfect for couples or families on the go. This incredible speed means you can enjoy a warm, satisfying meal without the morning scramble. Quick, easy, and ready to eat in 5 minutes, it truly simplifies your day. The Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker is incredibly versatile. It fits English muffins, most bagel sizes, and biscuits, allowing you to choose your favorite bread base every time. But the customization doesn't stop there. Use your own fresh ingredients to create endless combinations. From classic egg and cheese to gourmet spinach and feta, your imagination is the only limit. No more guessing if your sandwich is ready. The built-in timer with an audible beep alerts you when breakfast is ready, ensuring perfectly cooked results every single time. Cleanup is a breeze too. The non-stick surfaces and removable, dishwasher safe parts make tidying up quick and easy. Just remember, do not use steel wool, scouring pads, or abrasive cleansers on any part of the unit to maintain its quality. Cook delicious breakfast sandwiches in the comfort of your own home. Say goodbye to drive-through lines and hello to gourmet breakfasts made just the way you like them. The Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker is more than just an appliance. It's a time saver, a health booster, and a morning joy creator. Start your day the right way every day. Ready to revolutionize your mornings? Get your Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker today and experience the convenience and deliciousness for yourself. Visit our website or your local retailer to purchase.